He's jumping off the boat. Sees those fish. Oh no. What are they doing? They're looking for him, right?
Look at him.
Yeah. Look at Auntie Claire. She's asleep. You see her? What's he doing? Vomiting. Ugh. All the water is coming out of it. What's that in his mouth? It's a pipe. What's this? Barrel. And what's that? What's that white thing? Cat. Kitty cat. Right? Look, George is smoking a pipe too. And he's eating by himself. Can you hold a spoon? Can you hold a spoon and eat? Do you know how to do that? You don't know how to do that. Just like Auntie Claire. She's pretending to be Curious George in bed. Right? Sleeping. So is George. Locomotive. Hello, hello? What? It's a telephone. Old telephone. Like the ones you have over here. The big black telephone.